Welcome to CRM Crew, my name is Nick, and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to be explaining how to import contacts into HubSpot CRM. So once you log into HubSpot CRM, of course you'll come to the home screen. Now in order to import new contact records, what we need to do is go to the Contacts tab up the top left hand corner here, use the drop down menu and then go to Contacts. Now we're on our Contacts page. As you can see at the top right hand corner here we have the Import button. All we need to do is just press the Import button. And then we need to select whether we're connecting an app and syncing data or we're actually importing data into the HubSpot system. So I'm going to select Start and Import as opposed to Start to Sync. So Start and Import, and then I'm going to be uploading from a file on my computer. But if you've got a list, an opt-out list, you can also upload those as well. So I've got file from my computer and then press Next again. And then how many files am I importing? If I've got multiple files, I can select that, but in this case, I've just got the one file. Select one file, and then one object or multiple objects. So is it deals, contacts, accounts, etc., multiple objects, or is it just for contacts? So I'm going to again be doing just the one object, so I'm adding contact records. So I press the Next button, and then obviously we need to select the contacts as that is the object that we are importing data into. So press Next after that. And then we just need to drag and drop or just choose a file from our computer. So I've already got a mock data file and I'm just going to drag that in. As you can see, that is now loaded. We can also update existing contacts using the contact ID exported from HubSpot. So that would be really useful if you've exported data out of HubSpot, you've done some changes and then you're exporting it and then you're importing it back in. You'd tick that button to marry up using the unique IDs. Again, we've got the select the language of the column headers in your file. Of course, it's going to be English, but you have a number of different languages to choose from. I'll then press the Next button. And we need to map our columns in our Excel spreadsheet or CSV file to the columns or the properties inside of our object in HubSpot. So as you can see, this has worked it out pretty quickly, which is nice to see. Some of them you might have to just give a nudge or just allocate one to another. In order to do that, just press the drop down menu and you can see the different options and it will work it out or give you suggestions, and you can just search up the top here if you can't find it. As you can see, we've also got the don't overwrite existing value. Again, if you've exported and you're re-importing, you can select that if you don't want to overwrite. If you do though, leave it unticked. And then just again press the Next button and give the import a name just for a future reference. Again, you can also create a list of contacts from this import if you so wish, and you need to agree that all contacts in this import are expected to hear from my organisation. That is just to keep GDPR reasons happy. I'm just going to give this a name, test import. And once I've done that, I just need to press Finish Import. And the import is processing, and as you can see, it's already processed, and I can now click here to view all the contact records that have been imported. And if I head over to my contacts module and go to contacts property and go to contacts, I can now see all of the new contacts that have been added to my HubSpot CRM system. And that is how to import contacts into your HubSpot CRM system. I hope this video has clearly explained how to import contacts into HubSpot CRM. If you do have any further questions, please drop me an email. My details are in the description below. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you shortly in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.